Hello guys, this is Prof Teams, right? The best trader in Europe, in Asia, in Africa. Okay, our trading system, we upgraded it 99.99 trading system. You see, it is now giving us arrows, and when it gives us arrows, it comes also with the trend filter, this line, which is the green line. So when you see it green, you know that we are buying. But when we are in the downtrend, it will be sell. You see, it comes with the zones, the support and resistance zones. Or when we break the zone, retest, you see the arrow for buy and this arrow for exit and arrow for buy, and you can see it comes with the buy entries and this buy entries again. When you see the first one, the second one you buy, you see the arrow and you see the exit arrow here and another arrow for buying the exit here. So this is the improvement on our indicator and the sales here. So you now know when to exit, buy here. So it works on currencies and on synthetic indices, even for derivative. So when we reach to the previous zone where they produced an arrow like this, and you can see it with this zone, we can exit. So this indicated this spike that is coming, and this the spikes that are coming, you know that I'm exiting because I'm at this yellow zone. Okay, you see the arrow exiting at the yellow zone as well. So this is an improvement we put. So if you want us to upgrade your indicator for you, you just direct message me. But if you have already bought the 98.99 accurate indicator from us, we will eventually upgrade for you with half price, which is 20 USD. But if you didn't buy it from us, we'll upgrade for you for 40 USD. If you have already have the indicator but you didn't buy for us, it's 40 USD upgrade. You see the arrow, the spikes comes, the arrow here, spike comes, but you exit quickly because the zone is too close, right? And arrow, this arrow, you can see the exit here, and you see our trend filter is just green to indicate uptrend, and it is producing these buy zones as well, buy entry zones. Then when we are in the downtrend, you see when the arrow appears for sell, when we are in the downtrend, we are focusing on sales. So when you see the arrow, exit arrow here in the zone, we know that it will buy aggressively. So you can see arrow, you know that I'm just buying. When you sell, you see the buy arrow appearing. Whilst you are selling, you exit, right? When you see the arrow in the zone, you know that we are going far, and we went far, and you'll be targeting your TP will be previous highs, So this is the improvement we put, and you can see the arrows here, and the exit here. Okay, so you exit quickly when the zones are too close together, and the exit, you can see the exit arrow are appearing. So it's an improvement that we did so that it can accommodate all markets accommodation. As I mentioned later on, I said avoid buying in an uptrend, though it can buy. You see when it gives us these arrows, it can buy even these arrows, but this one I will enter it knowing that I'm close to this zone, and what happens, my TP will be on the previous high, the first TP here, the second, this is the last one, but it will be closer to this trend filter, so it will act as my exit point. So you see this one, when I entered the sell here, when I entered the sell, let me clear here so that you see there's this arrow. When I enter the sell, I'll target the previous low or my zone. The first TP will be the previous low, and the second will be in the zone. Or so when I enter here, I exit here. When I'm given this arrow again, I know that it will sell into the zone. When I see the X, I'll exit, but the X is now in the zone. I know that it will rally up, so you use it like this. So we made it easy so that everyone can understand, right? So we made it easy. Everyone should make money, guys. Even on currencies, you should use the same philosophy and the same concept. You can see the same philosophy, the same concept here. Okay, sorry. Here, what is happening? Arrow, stop loss, previous low. It spiked here. You see the arrow. What is happening when you see the arrow, and when you see this one, it indicates that the market was selling here, and an X and an arrow, you know that the market, when it comes back, you put your stop loss previous high, it spiked up, then they give you an exit here above there. So you see, arrow, exit point, arrow, stop loss above previous, on the previous low, exit point. Following this, you'll be making money. Arrow, stop, TP on the previous high, stop loss previous low, same concept, and our trend filter is bullish. You'll be making money like that. See, trend filter green. If it's red, it's on the downtrend. So arrow here, our previous low is this, stop loss here or stop loss here, then it went up, exit point, another arrow, exit point. You'll be making a lot of money using this. And remember, it can generate also sales and buys, right? It can also generate sales and buys for you. So this indicator is upgraded. So if you want this upgraded version, we are making 1,000 with it, and people we gave for them to test, they have already made thousands with it. So what you need to do is you direct message me, and we upgrade for you for only $20 if you already have the indicator, or if you already bought it from us. It will make us to update it on an easier way. But if you don't have the indicator, it's just 40 USD. If you don't obtain it from us, it's 40 USD. You get everything that is here. But if you previously bought from us, we give you at a discounted price. This upgrade we give you for only 20 USD, only 20 USD. So direct message me for just 20 bucks, 20, so that we make a lot of money together this year. We must make a lot of money together. Stay blessed. Contact me on +2 63786179 WhatsApp me on that number, direct message me or call, so that you join also our academy, where we teach you how to trade, maybe without this indicator. But this indicator makes things easy for you, but we can teach you from scratch how to code these things. But this is knowledge displayed to you. We trade with the algorithm, guys. Let's make money. Okay, stay blessed.